So I'd say one of the most difficult things of our job is when you have to share with a young athlete that they have a season-ending injury, and that their season's over and they're going to miss a lot of time, and having to talk them through that process of accepting what the injury is, and then also talking through the process of here's your timeline back to return to sport. So fortunately, in sports medicine and orthopedics, we have a lot of great solutions to devastating injuries. And we think fairly successfully we can sometimes operate on a patient, sometimes we don't have to operate, but we can take them through that process to return to sport. And one of the biggest aspects is just having that patient buy into that process. You find out you've got a torn ACL, you know probably by what you've watched on TV or what you've read on the internet that that's a pretty significant injury and that's going to cost you a lot of time. So helping that patient understand that that's not necessarily the end of their sports career, that we do have good solutions for that problem. It's sometimes hard to understand or get your head around the fact that that's a 7 to 9 month recovery. So take ACL surgeries specifically, that's a long time to get back to your sport. But helping those athletes understand that there's a process, it's a successful one, and getting them to buy in is a big part of what we do. So I think one of the things I like to tell them is that ideally for an orthopedic surgeon, having a young patient that's an athlete, they're already set up for a successful recovery. If they're a successful athlete and they play at a high level, they're already motivated, they've prepared themselves for that sport, and we take those same characteristics that they use to prepare to play and to play at a high level, we use those same motivations and same drive in their rehab process, and just coaching them to understand that the same things that you do to prepare to play are going to be the same things that you're going to use to recover and return to sport.